You have old hardware like this on your, whether it's a cabinet, dresser, whatever, old piece of furniture, old hinge, and you're ready for an update and you want to change them out, let's take a peek out. All right, we're gonna do this kind of so you can see. This is a hinge that we just took off this old kitchen hutch. The hinges overall work, but they're just old and they just don't look good. So we are going to this brushed nickel, not chrome, but a kind of a brushed nickel look. Although, when you're looking at the packages, I always make sure that they line up on the holes on the mounting side. For me, that's the most important. But as you can see, even though they line up on the hole side, they do not line up where they get mounted to the door. So that means I gotta drill new holes. So the easiest way to do this is using a square. You can see the old holes that are on there. So I'm just gonna use a pencil, you can use a Sharpie, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna use the square, and I'm gonna put the square to the middle of the hole, and I'm gonna draw a line with the pencil, and I'm gonna do this on all 3 holes. Once I have that, now I know where this hinge has to lie on the door. And now I'm just gonna line up where those marks I made to the center of each hole. And I'm just gonna color this in, because these are my center spots. Now, drill. So I just have a 7/64. That's the bit I have, because that is what fits the screws that come with this specific hinge. So now I am just gonna drill these 3 holes. And I'm not gonna go in very far. I basically just wanna start it. I want the screw to bite into it, and I don't wanna drill too big of a hole, plus the profile on the side, I wanna drill through it. And you will drill through it. So I gotta change out my bit. And I just start it with my hand, and then you can use a drill. I like the impacts myself. And just get it so it's snug. There you go. So I got both of them on here now. New color, new hinge. Looks pretty cool. We got new hardware. Kind of a brushed nickel look that we're going to change out because of the old hardware. It was so nasty. But there you go, changing out hinges. If you got questions on changing out hardware, other parts of your cabinets, definitely let us know. We're here to help you love the space you're in. Cabinetry, painting, wallpaper. Make sure you subscribe. I'll put a next video. What is the next video? Hardware. So we're going to drill out new hardware. So that'll be the next video we put on to this to link it. Hope you have a great day. Take care.